Hello and welcome to my video today. It was bound to happen, but I have my first flat tire on my Fisker Ocean. And as you can see over here, I have a screw that's embedded in the tread. It is an outer tread area, but it is about an inch, at least an inch inside from the edge, so it should be patchable. So I will be taking this down to my local discount tire and see what they can do. Luckily, I have one about 3 miles away. I noticed this yesterday when I was getting off from work, and the tire pressure monitoring system said that I had 16 pounds left in the tire. So that alerted me. I took out my cordless tire inflator and I pumped it back up to 44 PSI, and it seems to be holding pretty well right now. It seems to be a slow leak, but I have a bunch of trips in August and I want to have this fixed so I can go out on the open road and not have any issues. So I recommend bringing some lift pucks or jack pad adapters with you in case the location you're going to, the shop, doesn't have these. So I have these in the cargo area. I also purchased a set of 4 tires 2 months ago when these were on sale on a website, and I got these for I think roughly $150 each, which was pretty much a steal for 22-inch tires. So I'm throwing this in the cargo area just in case I need to replace that tire. But hopefully they can fix it up. So I'm going to go there now and have it taken care of. Here I am at my local discount tire. They're going to be working on my car today, and let's see how it goes. A few months ago, I did a spare tire video for the Fisker Ocean. See the link in the top right of the screen for that video. I showed a tire repair kit, and I recommend keeping one in the trunk along with a tire inflator. Here's what that kit looks like. I have links in the video description for these items. My situation today was kind of a best case scenario. I was close to home and the tire had a small leak. I was able to pump it up with my cordless tire inflator, and that got me home with no issues. But what happens if you're traveling? And that's where having a kit that allows you to install a plug is good to have. If you're on the road and have a flat that can be repaired, you can use a plug. To do that, you use a tool to insert the plug into the tire tread area opening, and it basically fills in the gap. However, it's not the best long-term solution. This is a temporary fix until you can get to a tire shop. So what's the difference between a tire plug and a tire patch? A tire patch is a thin, flexible patch of rubber that's adhered to the inside of your tire over the punctured area. To install, your tire service pro must first remove the tire from the rim to access its inner liner. They locate the puncture and use a tire reamer to clean and roughen up the hole to allow the patch to bond more securely. Then they will apply adhesive to both the patch and the cleaned area. After it's dry to the touch, they will install the patch into the place to seal the puncture. Then they will install the tire back onto the rim and inflate the tire to its proper PSI. Generally, a tire patch is more durable than a tire plug. However, just like with a tire plug, using a tire patch by itself is not recommended to repair a tire. A patch can seal the puncture hole, but it doesn't address the potential internal damage that the tire may have sustained when it was punctured. This internal damage can lead to a blowout or other serious issues while driving. Additionally, the patch may not hold up under high speeds or under the weight of the vehicle over time. Today, most service providers use a plug-patch combination to repair a punctured tire. Essentially, it's a patch with an integrated plug where the technician pulls the plug portion through the puncture from the outside while the patch portion adheres to the inside of the tire. This method combines the best of both worlds, the plug's immediate sealing benefits with the patch's long-lasting security. Of course, your tire must be repairable for a technician to use this plug patch combo. Typically, your tire can be repaired if the puncture is half an inch away or more from the edge of the tire tread where the steel belt begins. The tire sidewall and shoulder can't be repaired. The puncture also has to be less than a 1/4 inch in diameter, and the puncture doesn't overlap a previous repair. So this combination of a plug and patch is what I had installed on my tire today. All right, the car is now done. Let's take a look at the wheel and tire on this side. As you can see here, the pressure for the right front tire is matching the left front tire. Well, I'd like to thank Discount Tire for letting me video my car while they were working on it. And they took it in and got it done within an hour, which I'm really impressed since I just came in out of the blue without an appointment. So kudos to Discount Tire in Raleigh on Millbrook Road. So if you do get a flat tire and it can be repaired, I recommend using a Discount Tire. They've been very good for me. I've been a customer of theirs for over 20 years now. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.